Hi, and welcome to your seated yoga stretch. Take a cross-legged position and place one foot in front of the other. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. As you inhale, through your nose, reach your arms up towards the sky. When you exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart, prayer position. Take another nice deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. And take a bow. Namaste. Stay here in your seated cross-legged position. Bring your arms down. Flip your palms open. As you inhale through your nose, reach your arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, turn your palms facing down. Lower your arms all the way down. Again, inhale. Lift your arms up. And exhale. Lower your arms down. Now inhale, reach your arms up. We're going for a twist on the right side. So as you exhale, twist from above the waist to your right side. Lower your arms down at the same time. Place your left hand on your right knee and your right hand right beside you on the floor. Keep your spine nice and tall. And feel free to take some neck rolls. Just gently moving your head from side to side, making half circles. Pause in tender areas. Release any tension with an exhale. And then slowly bring your chin back to center and back up. Let's add a side body stretch. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale. Reach towards your left knee. Gentle side body stretch. And then come back to center, lowering your right arm down. And as you inhale, bring your arms up, come back to center. Exhale, arms down. And here, let's switch legs. So place the other foot in front. Inhale, reach your arms up. As you exhale, turn your chest towards your left side. Lower your right hand and place it on your left knee. Left hand is right behind you. Lengthen your spine. And also here you can add gentle neck rolls. Keep your breath even, smooth, and steady. Remember to relax your jaw and your face. Slowly bring your chin back to center and back up. And let's take that side body stretch. As you inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, reach towards your right knee. Open up your left rib cage, left side body. Keep breathing. And then slowly lower your left hand down. Place it on the floor. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, lower your arms down, coming back to center. For butterfly pose, place your foot soles together. And let your knees fall open. Keep breathing. If this hip stretch feels too intense, you can always support yourself by making fists and then place them by your upper thighs on the floor so you're closing the gap. Hold it here, keep breathing. And otherwise, you can place your hands behind you, lengthen your spine, open your chest, and slightly lift your gaze. And the last option, more intense version, is to fold forward in butterfly pose. So bring your arms forward, slowly fold forward and rest on your forearms. Turn your palms facing up and lower your head down last. So you have several options here. Remember, this is your practice, your stretch. Do what works best for you. Wherever you are, make sure to keep your breath smooth and even. And take one final deep breath. And slowly bring your upper body back to center. And place your hands on the outsides of your knees and bring your knees towards each other and give yourself a nice big hug. Now turn facing the front of your yoga mat, lengthen out your legs, flex your feet, sit up straight, relax your shoulders for staff pose. Take a nice deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Then on your next inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. As you exhale, fold forward from your hip creases. Keep lengthening your spine and place your hands on the floor for support. If you feel this in your hamstrings, if it's too much, you can bend your knees even more and hold on to the backs of your knees. Keep your feet flexed. Lower your head down and stay here for a few deep breaths. If you want to take it a step further, you can straighten out your legs. Keep lengthening your spine while walking yourself a little bit further down. Relax your neck. Keep your feet flexed and breathe. And slowly on your next inhale, walk yourself back up. Let's do a little bit of core work. Bring your knees up, plant your feet firmly into the floor, feet are hip width apart. Hold on to the backs of your knees. Lean back, use your core. As you inhale, lift your left foot and lower leg off the ground. And exhale, lower your left foot down. Inhale, lift up your right foot off the floor. Exhale to lower. Inhale, both feet off the floor, use your core muscles, keep breathing. And exhale, release. Place your hands right behind you with your fingertips facing the front of your yoga mat. As you inhale, lift your hips up for reversed tabletop position. Keep your neck and head in line with your spine. Keep breathing, open your chest. And slowly as you exhale, lower your seat down. And then give yourself another nice big hug. And take a seated cross-legged position with one foot in front of the other. As you inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. As you exhale, bend your elbows and take cactus arms. Inhale, open your chest. And as you exhale, round your spine, bring your hands and elbows towards each other. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest. And exhale, rounding your spine. Contract. Inhale. Elbows and hands are moving away from each other to open. And exhale to close. Inhale, open. Exhale, hold your cactus arms, open your chest. Inhale, reach your arms up. And as you exhale, circle your arms down. And let's seal our practice together. As you take a big belly breath in through your nose, reach your arms up towards the sky. Deep breath out, unite your hands, and draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. And take a moment to thank yourself for committing to your practice, your health, and your well-being. And thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get your freebie by clicking the first link below this video. I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye.